Look at the charms, the identity charms. Was this fun? Did you guys like do this charm activity?
I did. I'm gonna get some more.
Does anybody do affirmations? Anybody know what affirmations are?
What did you think about it? Did you learn? Did you have fun?
Don't fall into the wrong crowd and get your grades up and just focus on your future.
Career assessment, the genius quiz. What was your genius and what were the jobs?
My genius was artistic, realistic, and social. The jobs I got was artist, painter, and photographer.
What high school you're gonna go to? That's gonna decide the choices you get to make later.
Officially a genius, I'm officially a genius.